Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to define alert policies for your organization in Exchange Admin Center, or in other terms, Exchange Online in your Office 365. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. So guys, when it comes to Exchange, creating alert policies is very important because you have to be on top of your organization Exchange activity, right? So you need to know if there's any event that has happened that you should be notified or certain people. So you see that in front of you, I have opened Exchange Admin Center, and then under mail flow, I have alert policies. So what it says, create alert policies to notify you when certain email related event occurs. You can create policies for domain loops, new users forwarding emails, slow mail flow, new domains being forwarded in email, delayed or rejected messages, and more. All right, so in order to create it, we can click on new alert policy, and we'll say that alert, we need to provide a name. Description is not mandatory. Next, settings. Yeah. All right. Severity. How severe you want this alert to be? High, medium, low. So I can put it high. Categories under mail flow. Trigger an alert when following insight is generated. What are the things? Mail loop, slow transport rule, new user forwarding, new domains being forwarded. Next, who you want it to be notified to, and do you want to put any notification limit? And in the next screen, you're going to review the policy and click on finish. So that's how simple it is, guys, and I hope you're going to like it. So please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. Thanks for watching this, guys. Thank you.